Going to do a quick unboxing video of the Stoeger 12 gauge over-under shotgun. Comes with the barrel. That was already in this, so some of the stuff's already open. And got the stock. It comes with the warranty, direction book. Comes with a lock. And let's put this thing together. Put it together, you got to take off the forearm stock. And then it will all slide in here just like that. And then take this stock. It's all popped back in together. That's it. There. That's the Stoeger 12 gauge over under. It's a budget model. It's a little over $400. Good for target shooting and maybe a little squirrel hunting.